I tried dozens of new indicators, settings, patterns, templates. I was looking for something new, but at some point I returned to the very first method I started with. The idea is simple, but it requires attention to detail. Today, I'll show you how this approach works in practice. I'm not saying that this is the best strategy, I'm just sharing what I'm currently using. The session will be live with my comments. Message me on Telegram if you want to discuss or ask a question. Now you need to set up your account to work with this strategy. I'll use the candlestick chart type. The time frame will be 2 minutes. In the indicator section, we will select CCI, MACD, and parabolic SAR. I'll leave the parameters of all indicators standard, unchanged. If you change the time frame or trading time, you will need to adjust the settings. I recommend using my settings. If you have started to understand trading and are not sure yet how to set up the platform, what indicators to use, where to look for entry points, I have a solution. In my Telegram channel, I share all my settings, signals, and real trades. All you need is to follow the link in the description, join the channel, and write, "I want to join the team." I'll add you to Telegram, where you can not only copy my signal, but also ask any questions, clarify the details, and be part of the team. Access is free for now, but only now. Later, it will be paid. So take action right now, and afterwards, keep watching this video. Let's take the situation to work and open a trade. The time of the trade will be 2 minutes. I'm going to start with $80. My prediction is that the price will go up. It's time to open the trade. I'll press the green button. Are you ready? Let's analyze the situation in detail. Look, the first signal was parabolic SAR. There was a downtrend on the market. The indicator points were built above the price chart. Now the price started to rise and the indicator points appeared under the price chart. Probably the uptrend has started. The first signal has been received. After that, we should wait for signals from other indicators. The second signal was given by CCI. In this situation, the level of -100 is important for us. The indicator line was built below this level. There was a downtrend. Now the indicator line crosses the level of -100 and was built above it. It is directed upward. It is a signal of price increase. And of course, MACD. The indicator chart was built below the zero level. The price was rising and the indicator chart began to be built above the zero level. Also, the indicator lines crossed each other. Thus, all three indicators gave a signal. The market started an uptrend, and I'm sure of it. Later, I'll tell you about the important rules of working with this strategy. Watch the video till the end to not miss them. Super! The first profitable trade. My capital now stands at $153. There are a few more trades ahead. I won't waste any time. Interesting chart. I think it's possible to make profit in this situation. I'm increasing the trade amount to $153. This time I'll open a trade on the price decrease. Let's go over the situation again. So the price has started to decline. There are already several points of the indicator parabolic SAR above the price chart. The first signal is there. The CCI indicator also gave a signal. The indicator line crossed the level of 100 and is now built below it. This is a signal of price decline. The third signal was given by MACD. The lines of the indicator crossed each other. The indicator was built below the zero level. The situation has been formed. Now I'll tell you about the important rules of work. It is important that all three indicators give a signal. Only such situations are reliable. It's also worth paying attention to parabolic SAR. At least 2 points of the indicator should appear. Only then you can be sure that the trend has formed. And the correct signal from CCI is important. The indicator line must cross one of the levels twice. At the beginning of price decline, the indicator line crosses the level 100 from top to bottom and will stay below it. In an uptrend, the situation will be the opposite. Let's take a look at the price chart. Boom! The second profitable trade. My capital now stands at $282. A couple more trades ahead. The trade amount is $282. I'll open the trade on price increase. I've already analyzed similar situation. All three indicators give a signal. The situation is stable. The market has started an uptrend. I'm sure that you will like this strategy and use it often. By the way, I want to give you some advice. Not every currency pair is suitable for work. When choosing a currency pair, always pay attention to how the price chart moves. The most suitable currency pair are currency pairs in which the trend changes steadily, but it is important that the change of trend is not too frequent. Also, before opening a trade, take time to look at past signals in this currency pair. Perhaps they were false and you could incur a loss, in which case I do not recommend taking such a currency pair to work. It may still be unstable. The price continued to rise. My forecast turned out to be correct. I was able to increase my capital to $541. Now I'll find another situation and open the last trade. I have no doubt about the chosen situation. The currency pair is stable. Indicators gave a signal and the price started to rise. I'm sure that the market has started an uptrend. I think it's possible to get a profit. Be sure to try this strategy in your work. It's quite simple. I'm sure you will quickly understand it. I try to show in detail how it works. Now let's watch the situation till the end. Super! 4 consecutive profitable trades. I've now increased my account to $920. That's it. The session is over. Everything was according to the strategy. No unnecessary movements. And as a result, a stable plus. You have seen for yourself, even with a small deposit, you can reach a good level if you do not deviate from the rules. Now it is your turn. Test the strategy in practice and then come back and share the results in the comments. I'm sure you'll be surprised on how fast you can grow.